Hey guys, back again here with another video. It's another mini PC. This one is by, I'm probably gonna butcher the name, but it's Kamrui. This particular one I picked up for, I think it was around $130 just to review it. Here is the specs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do an unboxing and a teardown. And I'll do a follow-up video just to test the performance of it against my current machine that I'm using, which is by Chewy. And I'll post a link somewhere in the description so you guys can see either one of them. So let's get started. So box is very straightforward, black and white. The unit is right here. Now this particular one has an interesting feature, which I'll show you guys here in a second. So here's the top of it, front, power with 2 USB 3s, 1 USB 2. Back of the unit, you got a gigabit Ethernet connection, 2 HDMIs and a USB 2, along with your DC power. On this side, nothing. And then back to the front. It does have a removable bottom here, which houses a 2.5-inch drive, whether it's an SSD or if you have a conventional little like laptop drive. The way you unhook it is where is it right there? So lock and unlock. So both of them, you're just gonna send them up. And then you can take the two pieces apart. And here, it's a USB-C connection to right here. And then either one of them you can mount on the wall, whether it's the single unit like this, or if you need the extra drive. We'll test to see what the actual speed is with an SSD just for a fair comparison. So I'll put it back together here. For right now. So you also do have your power adapter, HDMI cable, and then at the bottom of the unit, here is a VESA mount, user guide, and then hardware to mount the VESA mount itself. So now what we'll do is we'll put this in here. And we'll go ahead and take it apart. So this piece right here, we'll first take this one apart. So what we're gonna do, it looks like it's just standard Phillips head. So we'll just use this one with that. Alrighty, so lift it up, and yeah, just standard SATA connection. So put this back together. Okay. Now we'll take this guy apart. I'm just gonna guess the screws are gonna be under these little feet. Yeah, yep, they are. Okay. So once you take that screw, the screws out, the entire actual top comes off. Jessica doesn't want to leave. Okay. There we go. once you remove those two little screws, you have access to the RAM and also the SSD. So it looks like, so it looks like, so it's an 8 gigabyte, where are you? Yeah, so it's an 8 gigabyte stick. So M.2 is the SATA drive. That's the one that it ships with. So we got that. CMOS battery is right there. So we'll put it back together here. It's very dense RAM stick. What we'll do as well, we'll first boot it up with this one, but I also have a 16 gig stick of Viper memory, unless this is a DDR4. So we'll try and see. At least this one has one of the options that we can actually upgrade the RAM on it. Some of these other ones, like the one that I'm using, it's soldered onto the board, but it is DDR5, so it is actually faster memory too. So yeah, we'll put it back together and we'll kind of go from there. Alrighty. I'm not gonna put all the screws in since I'm actually gonna be using it for testing purposes, but hope you guys enjoyed the teardown of this particular PC. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.